Hey guys, it's Jordan here. Day like 9 in quarantine, feels like 900. Working on the cart right now. It's way too quiet. It's way too quiet. Except for right here, whenever I move, this pushes against this and makes a really ridiculously loud squeaking sound. So we're gonna try and fix that real quick. I'm currently nowhere where I can use a welder or anything like that, so I'm just gonna work with what I have in my garage. And for some reason, my mind went to a flash swatter, and I think I'm gonna cut this off and then wedge that in the hole. We can get it to stop squeaking. All right, well, it's a very temporary fix, but I actually think it might work. That didn't work, and my ears hurt now. It's a totally different day, and I just gave up on that squeak. I'm just gonna have to keep spraying WD-40 on it. But now we're gonna work on these lights. So I'm actually really excited about this because it'll make the go-kart have a new look to it, and I think it's gonna be awesome. Went ahead and got my spots marked. I did 5 inches from this spot, so it'll be kind of even. Nothing's really exactly measured on here, so if they're off by a couple inches, don't judge me. Or, well, not a couple inches, just don't judge me. Boom. There's 2 holes drilled. Okay, so I drilled a hole that is big enough for the wire to go in and the screw to go in. So I want the wire to go into it, and I want the screw to go on the outside, so I don't have to crawl from all the way in there, and yeah, that will be a whole mess. All right, let's go ahead and get this on. Oh man, I lost a washer. Oh, there it is. All right. Let's get this in there. This is a huge pain in my side right now. It's gonna take forever to do. All right, I went ahead and got them both installed. That looks pretty cool. Looks like something off of Mario Kart. And it kind of looks like a early 20s, 30s hot rod. Let's pull it outside. All right, guys, I think this looks absolutely amazing. It has the old style hot rod headlamps. It just brings it all together. And I went ahead and put tape on the headlights to put some JDM styling in there, because there's literally no theme to this go-kart. It's just whatever I like, I'm putting on there. So super excited. Next, I'm gonna probably put some little side mirrors going out, and then on the back I'm probably gonna put a huge spoiler. And yeah, we just got so much left to go, so y'all better stay tuned. I appreciate y'all watching this video and taking the time out of your day just to watch my silly creations. So this is it for this video, and y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. Thanks again, y'all.